Okay, pair of boots been brought into the shoe healer in Doncaster. These Panama Jacks, made in Spain. Nice leather, only a fashion boot, nothing particularly special, but they do feel nice uppers, and they are leather lined. Are they fully leather lined? No. We get halfway down here and then we've gone to a breathable material from here onwards, but all this area at the back here looks nice. Even the insole looks really nice. I bet these are super comfortable. However, the customer was complaining that they were rubbing him on the top because they have these collars on like this here. Look, you see this big fat lovely collar. I love this. I would have kept this on, but didn't like it, so he said, can you cut it off? So we cut it off, and then we had to shape the tops and machine them a little bit. Don't get in too close because it's a little bit rough, because it's just a rough and ready repair. Chop the tops off them, corner those nicely, stitch them up everywhere so they weren't going to come apart, and of course then the tongue sticks up like a, I shan't say. Anyway, we have to then cut the tongue down and stitch that up as well to reduce the height of these. So these Panama Jacks, they're now, I think they did say Panama Jack up the top now. Now it just says Panama. So yeah, we've sorted those out for the customer. Took a little bit longer than we thought, but it's made a nice job of them, and hopefully he can get some wear out of them now.